Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Nakhuda and I hope you guys are good, having a good time at home. Lockdown चल रहा है, so I hope you guys have everything which you need for a good and comfortable lockdown. Some of us are unfortunately less privileged, so we are facing a lot of difficulties and I really hope and pray that things get good for all of us and हम सब जितना हो सकता है किसी भी तरीके से if we can help people, please, I think we should all do that. This video of mine is not going to be like the videos which I've put in the past on the lines of comedy, humor. So, the past 1.5 2 weeks, if you guys are on social media, I'm hoping and obviously assuming you guys are on social media, this whole thing of this YouTube versus TikTok is pretty hot right now. डेढ़ हफ्ते I think ये चल रहा है and you have Carrie Minati on the side of YouTube and you've got Amir Siddi on the side of TikTok. People are saying YouTube wale shane, people are saying TikTok wale shane. YouTubers are strongly supporting each other. TikTokers are unfortunately not supporting themselves only. TikTok पे वीडियो आ रहे हैं which is against TikTok themselves. It's pretty amusing. I think on Play Store last time I checked, the rating for TikTok was at 4.2 something. Now I'm checking it at 1.3. So काफ़ी लोग TikTok के एप्लीकेशन को काफ़ी डाउनग्रेड कर रहे हैं. On the App Store, when I first checked, it was at 4.8. Now it's at 3.7 on the Apple Store. So it's obvious, very obvious people are supporting which application more. The only reason I'm putting this video is because I think a few things need to be clarified. So 2-3 दिन पहले I heard this call recording of Amir Siddiqui, and there are two things which which need to be addressed. And that's the only reason I'm putting this video. So the first thing is Amir ने कहा है, I think he's talking to his friend and he said that रमज़ान चल रहा है इसलिए वो गालियाँ नहीं देने वाले, गाली गलौच नहीं करने वाले हैं. So I think people, all of us need to know this, that there is no concept कि तुम रमज़ान में गालियाँ नहीं दे सकते हो और रमज़ान के बाद गालियाँ दे सकते हो. If you are a Muslim and तुम्हें गाली देने का मन करता है रमज़ान में, so don't tell people कि रमज़ान चल रहा है इसलिए मैं गालियाँ नहीं दे रहा हूँ और रमज़ान के बाद मैं दे सकता हूँ. ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है by the way. The concept is you be a good person throughout, irrespective रमज़ान है या नहीं है. Supposed to be a good person throughout. गाली देना is wrong. Something तुम दे रहे हो negativity या फिर किसी की बेइज्जती कर रहे हो, which is not supposed to happen throughout. Not just रमज़ान में थोड़ा. That's just not how it is. Okay? So अगर तुम्हें रमज़ान में गाली नहीं देना है, that is your belief. Don't put this thing that मैं रमज़ान में गाली नहीं देता हूँ या मैं गाली नहीं दे रहा हूँ because रमज़ान चल रहा है. It makes no sense. Your belief has nothing to do with religion. Religion says दो ही मत. Okay? The second thing is, which is I think the more important thing, if I could put it that way, is आमिर ने कहा है कि he is going to put up a song and one part of it is going to be on the lines कि अजय की माँ को कुत्ते ने कुछ किया जिसके वजह से अजय कुत्ते के साथ भौंकता है. All of us respect and love our mothers, and I'm assuming, to be honest, and I'm hoping also that all of us respect and love किसी और की मम्मी को भी, for the simple reason that वो किसी की मम्मी है. And mothers are the most beautiful people who we have in our lives. They're wonderful people. तेरे को शर्म नहीं है आमिर? एक बार भी को शर्म नहीं आई किसी की माँ के बारे में ऐसा बोलते हुए कि तू एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे है और तू उस प्लेटफॉर्म से उस जगह से तू किसी की माँ के बारे में इतना मजाक उड़ाने वाला है. पता है ना अपने में क्या कहते हैं, माँ के पाँव के नीचे क्या होती है? जन्नत होती है ना, ऐसा हम कहते हैं ना. तेरे को एक बार शर्म नहीं आई कि तू ये लाइन डालने वाला है अपने गाने में? एक काम कर, जो गाना बन जाएगा ना या बन गया रहेगा मज्यूमिंग, तो अपनी मम्मी को सुना और जो भी लाइफ में तेरे औरतें होंगे जिनको माँ का हम दर्जा दे सकते हैं या देते होंगे, लाइक चाची है, मामी है, उनको सुनाओ ये गाना और बोलो कि मैं ये लाइन जो है उसकी मम्मी के लिए बोल रहा हूँ. वो माँ है, ठीक है? All of us love our mothers. We respect not only our mothers but we respect others' mothers also for the simple reason that they are someone's mother. और तूने इतना बड़ा शाना है तू कि तू किसी की माँ के बारे में ऐसा बोलने वाला है. तू घटिया इंसान है यार, तू बहुत घटिया इंसान है. तेरे को शर्म आना चाहिए अपने आप पे कि तू किसी की माँ के बारे में ऐसा बोल रहा है. अगर तेरी माँ नहीं भी होती ना, फिर भी देखो शर्म आना चाहिए. People who are watching this video, if you have a mother, wonderful. You have someone in your life who is the most beautiful person. All right. जितना हो सके we are supposed to love our mothers, respect them as much as we can. There is no limit to how much our mothers do for ourselves. जब हम बीमार होते हैं तो हमारा ख्याल रखते हैं, जब वो बीमार होते हैं फिर भी हमारा ख्याल रखते हैं. And it is a very thankless, I think, job on a very consistent basis which they do. Sometimes हमारी मम्मी से झगड़ा कर लेते हैं, but at the end of the day we should always do a lot more than what we are doing for our mothers. So if you have a mother, that's so very nice that you have a mother. It's very nice that, and you should obviously respect her as much as you can. आमिर, अगर तेरी माँ है ना, तो I don't know whether you respect your mother or not. I'm strongly assuming you don't, because you don't respect someone else's mother. So I don't think you're respecting your own mother. Start respecting your own mother for beginning, and दूसरों की माँओं का भी इज्जत करना है चालू कर, ठीक है? People, if you're watching this video, please share this video, because people need to know that there is no concept कि रमज़ान में गालियाँ दे सकते हैं या नहीं दे सकते हैं, और रमज़ान के बाद गाली दे सकते हैं कि नहीं दे सकते हैं. There is no concept like that. You're not supposed to be doing that at all. You're supposed to be a good person throughout. And people should know that not only they're supposed to respect their own mothers, but they're supposed to respect others' mothers also, because she's a mother at the end of the day. I hope you guys have a good lockdown, and we all should hope, pray that jitna ho sake things are back to normal as possible. Bye everyone, you have a good time.